In this video tutorial, we will explain why international students should do tax return. This information is specifically made for Dalhousie University international students who are currently living in Canada. A very simple definition for taxes is that they are financial charges that citizens pay to government authorities. In Canada, taxes cover many different things. This includes primary, secondary, and some post-secondary education costs, healthcare, sanitation, city property management, and other government services. Taxes are collected when citizens submit tax returns. So in the case of Canada, when citizens submit tax returns to the Canadian government. A tax return is a document that shows how much you earned, specific expenses, and what your tax payment obligations are. In Canada, tax returns are submitted to a government department known as the Canada Revenue Agency. When your tax return is submitted to the Canada Revenue Agency, the CRA, as the acronym stands for, reviews the information and may either distribute benefits or require payments. So why is it important for international students to know this? Well, international students who live in Canada for more than 183 days and have other ties to Canada are considered residents of Canada for tax purposes. This makes them eligible for submitting tax returns. International students tend to study full-time, and they're not earning salaries from full-time work for the whole year. Now, some students do have part-time jobs, or they work full-time during the summer, or they have co-op internships. But in general, most international students earn less or slightly above the basic personal amounts for income tax purposes. For more information on what basic personal amounts are, click the link in the description box. Because international students are earning less or slightly above, they can receive some cash benefits when they submit their tax return. However, please note, if an international student is earning much more than the basic personal amount and no income tax was deducted, they may have to pay taxes. So here are 5 main reasons why international students should do tax returns. The first is for the GST-HST cash benefit. The GST-HST benefit helps individuals and families with low and modest incomes offset all or part of the GST or HST that they pay. You may notice that when you purchase something or use a particular service, you have to pay a tax percentage. Well, the GST-HST benefit is a government's way of offsetting those costs. It's a tax-free quarterly payment that usually comes in July, October, January, and April. It's roughly around the range of $60 to $70 per quarter. In a total year, you could get up to $451 if you're single, $592 if you're married or in a common law relationship, or $155 for each child you have under the age of 19. For more information and details about the GST-HST benefit, click the link in the description box. The second advantage for doing a tax return is to receive the Nova Scotia Affordable Living Benefit. This benefit is paid to make life more affordable for low and modest incomes to individuals and families. The amount is combined with the quarterly payments that you will receive with the GST-HST benefit. This year, for July 2020 all the way to June 2021, the program provides a maximum annual credit of $255 for an individual or a couple, and that roughly amounts to $63.75 per quarter, and an additional $60 for each child. Please note that the benefit is reduced by 5% of your adjusted family net income of over $30,000. The third advantage to submitting a tax return is an income tax refund. This is a tax refund for students who worked and had income tax deducted on their paycheck. Canada Revenue Agency's goal is to send you a refund within 2 weeks if you file online, or around 8 weeks if you file on paper. That is, you submit your tax return by mail. The fourth advantage is for tuition and education credits. Tuition tax credits are for tuition paid to universities and colleges. These are the fees paid by an individual to a post-secondary educational institution in Canada. This amount comprises of the total amount of money you've paid to tuition fees and differential fees. So please note that supplementary fees aren't included. Supplementary fees include things like the Dalhousie Student Union fee or your facilities renewal fee. Please note that unlike the GST HST benefit and the Nova Scotia Affordable Living benefit, tuition and education credits are not money paid to you. They are tax credits, and which means that they are amounts that reduce the tax you pay on your taxable income. The more tax credits that apply to you, the more you can reduce your income tax. While you are a student, you most likely won't need tuition and education credits because, as explained before, most international students are not making enough money for them to have to pay taxes. However, in the future, when you're working full time, you may have to pay taxes, and these tax credits can be used against your future income if you decide to work in Canada after graduating. And the fifth benefit is childcare benefit. Now, this benefit is only exclusive to those who have children. It's a tax-free monthly payment made to eligible families to help with the cost of raising children under 18 years of age. More information about this benefit is available on the Government Canada website, so feel free to click the link in the description box if you want more information. The Government Canada website also has a calculator that will give you an idea of the benefits you could get. This brings us to the end of this video tutorial. In the next video, we will discuss when and how to do a tax return. You can find more tax tutorial videos on the International Centre website, the Dal Student Life YouTube channel, or the International Centre Microsoft Streams channel. More helpful links are included in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.